Hey folks, you want to create a video but not do anything? Literally have a video like the one you're about to see here. I'll just play a little bit of it. You can see I have a female professional speaker. I've got professional slides that I didn't do anything. None of this was done by me. Nothing. Not the speaker, not what she's saying, not the slides, nothing. I'm going to show you how I did it. It's really, really fun. And let me prove to you how great these videos are. These are all AI videos, most of them. Look at the views I'm getting, 400, 300, 200, all easy to do. Let me take you through it step by step though, and show you how you really don't need to do anything. This is really cool. You're going to need some tools, but they're all in your browser. You don't need any, the one thing that irritates me most is you watch these people, they say, whoa, look at this, it's easy. And then they say, well, now you're going to download this software and download that software and do this and that. And I'm thinking, well, can't we just go to different sites and do things and, do it all? So first, I am going to go to NotebookLM. This is the first place I went to. It's called NotebookLM. Just Google it, and it will take you to an area where you can put stuff in. So again, you start off with nothing. You say create new, and you just put URLs in of the stuff that you want in the video. So literally, you just go click, 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 or you can have it search like I did. And then you scroll over here. You don't even read this at all. You just go over here and it will show you a slide deck. And it looks like this. You can tell the little icon up there and you click it and it will create you a slide deck that looks something like this. And this should look familiar because this is what that video is. It's the exact one that I use, the World Profit AI ecosystem, sorry. Scroll down. You can see that that's the video. So what do you do with these slides? Well, sign up for a place called HeyGen. You go into HeyGen, really cool, and you will find that there is under new video, when you log in, it's free to try. So you can try it with say 5 slides. And you have your slides, you just go PowerPoint. So you just say, I want to download these as PowerPoint slides. Forgot to show you that. So just put that on your hard drive. Over here, click on Avatar, and just click on PPT video, and you upload it from your computer. And it just takes it, and it's going to create you all of the scenes, like all of the scenes by the slides. And I'll see if I can find mine right here. I'm sure I can. Oh, I don't want to do that. I want to go home. And you can see my slides right here. I'll just edit as new. And what it does is it's going to put all the slides in. And it will say, do you want to do, AI to create the talking? Because these will all be blank. Because I say no. What I do is I go to the AI, which is ChatGPT, and I load the presentation in, and I say, can you create a script that matches each slide with female avatar, whatever. I didn't know this at the time, but it doesn't actually pick the avatar or anything, you do. So it will create all of the talking in each slide because it will scan it, analyze it, and do all this stuff. So then you shove it into this and you pick the avatar and you just go up over to the right and you pick any one. There's like hundreds of them. Well, I don't think there's hundreds, but you can click and say, I want to replace the avatar. So you can pick anyone. They all come out. They're different favorites, men, women, whatever. So you scroll through and pick one, and it'll automatically put it in a little circle in the bottom. And then you paste in what to say. So just an overview, you go to NotebookLM, you put in the URLs of your products or your site or your description. You could type it all in. So you get all that in, and then you go and you say, I want a PowerPoint slide. And it will create the slide, and then you save it on your computer. You shove it in HeyGen. It will get you to this point, right, with what I showed you. And then you go to GPT and you say, I want you to create my script for me. And honestly, that's it. You're done. And then it will create you the whole video that looks like this. And then, doesn't end there, the description. How do we decide what we want the description to say and everything? And I'll show you my little trick for that too. So I've got this here. And you can see the description's really good. Like, look at all the icons and everything's in here. I didn't do any of this, none. I didn't do the title, I didn't do anything. So we go to the AI and we scroll down, and I said this. I say, I want you to keep going down here. And this is where I said, I need to describe the video. So what I do is I set up the transcript. So you go in here and you scroll down, and at the bottom here, you'll see the transcript. So you say, show the transcript, comes up here on the right. And you just copy the transcript. So remember, you don't have to load any software. Remember what I said, this is just all browser stuff, no special stuff. And I'll talk to you about HeyGen and everything. Then you paste that in and you say, hey, I want the script. Like, give me everything. It did it in HTML for me. It doesn't matter. I said, look, I need the text version. It gives me the title and everything. And you go down and you say, okay, well, she's the avatar. So I took a screen capture of just her. And I said, well, put her on there, because then people click it and they see her doing the presentation. It's overall profit. HeyGen, $29 a month. If you do it monthly. I'm on the 1 month. I just started this. And if you think I know, like, I'm the pro, no, I started this yesterday. This is yesterday. I've never used HeyGen. I don't have a clue how to use it. So they sent me a note and said, do you have a PowerPoint slide? And I said, yeah, I do. Okay. And then I shoved it in here, and this is what happened. So believe me, I don't know anything. I'm on the monthly. So I'm going to upgrade to a year, because I did a couple of other videos, as you saw, in like 1 day, because this is so easy to use. You can then, if you do your shorter videos, which are really cool, you can go in here and say, I want to do a new video, and it'll load up somebody. You can just do a script. That's when you go to the next place. If you want to post shorts and things like that, it's called Opus Clip. And you roll in here, and it will take those clips, the shorter ones, and clip them and put captions and coolness into them. And you'll get one like this, and you just click on it. Watch this. You just click on it. So I loaded that up. Looks good. You go publish on social. You hook all your socials up. So you've got your X, formerly known as Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. You can do Reel, or you can do a posting in your Facebook page. You can do YouTube Shorts, which are under 60 seconds. So keep them under 60 seconds. You can do YouTube Short, or it'll post it as a normal YouTube. I didn't know any of this. But Reels can be, I believe, 1.5 minutes, and of course TikTok's longer. So there you go. This will fill up your, like, we're doing these all the time. You can publish them or schedule them. So these are the tools, all done with AI. But of course, they are your real products. So why not save the time? And I mean, AI has advanced so much now. It's fantastic. So there you go. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll help you out as best I can. Thanks.